In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who attended a Zoom meeting in 2026. To get started, open the Zoom web portal in your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the web portal rather than the desktop app because the attendance and reporting tools are located there. Once you're signed in, look for the Analytics and Reports section in the navigation menu and click on it. From there, choose Meetings and Webinars. This area gives you access to reporting data for past sessions, including attendance details. After that, click the Usage Reports tab. This is where Zoom stores historical meeting information that you can review after a meeting has taken place. Next, select Meeting and Webinar History. You'll now be able to search through previous meetings. Set the date range for when the meeting happened so Zoom can narrow down the results. It helps to choose a specific time frame if you attend or host a lot of meetings because that makes the correct session easier to find. Once the date range is set, find the meeting you want to check in the list. When you locate it, go to the participants column and click the participant count. That number is actually a link, and clicking it opens the attendance details for that meeting. A list of attendees will then appear on screen. Here, you can review useful information such as each participant's name, email address, join time, leave time, and total duration in the meeting. This is especially helpful if you need to verify attendance, check how long someone stayed, or keep records for training sessions, team meetings, or online classes. If you want to save the attendance list, click Export. Zoom will download the report as a CSV file, which you can open in spreadsheet software for easier sorting, filtering, or record keeping. One important thing to keep in mind is that the meeting usually needs to have ended for at least 15 minutes before the participant report becomes available, so if you don't see the attendance data right away, wait a little and check again. Also, access to these reporting features depends on your Zoom plan and your account permissions. In most cases, reporting is available for meetings hosted by paid or licensed Zoom accounts. And that's how to see who attended a Zoom meeting using Zoom's reporting tools. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be able to review or export your participant list whenever you need it.